What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the throttle body on your car or truck. This is a 2005 Ford F-150. The throttle body is up front, is very easy to access. In some cars like some Toyotas, it's behind the engine, or it's hard to get to, or it's facing backwards like some Mercedes. This one is pretty easy to access. All what you need is you don't have to use a mass airflow sensor. That's what happens that I have here. You can use Throttle Body Cleaner or just a carb cleaner, and in my case just a flathead screwdriver to get this clip off so I can unhook the duct, and some lint-free towels. I like to use those. They're stronger and they don't just tear apart, and they're lint-free, so you don't have to worry about anything going inside your intake. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna remove this clip right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to remove this connection, so just push it to the left and pull it out just like that, and then we can just remove this out of the way. There you go. See how easy that was to access? So this is the throttle body. You do not want to put your fingers inside, because I did not disconnect the battery. If I disconnect the battery, I can just put my fingers inside, but this is electronic throttle body, and you don't want to put your fingers inside there when it's live, when it has powers, so it doesn't just give it signal to shut close while your fingers in there. It's pretty dangerous. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and then I will work on this, so just to be safe. Okay, so now since the battery is disconnected, I can start cleaning the throttle body, and as soon as I put my finger in there, oh my god, check this out. This is so dirty. Okay, so check out how dirty this thing is. I'm gonna push it in. Check this out. Wow, it's so dark inside. There's so much dirt trapped in there, so I'm gonna spray it down, get it loose, and get it wiped off and cleaned up. Okay, so I'm gonna use the screwdriver because I can access better. I'm gonna push it like that, wide open, and get it sprayed. Get all that dirt loose around the hinges right here. Get it soaked up. Then you want to grab a towel and get in there. Now you're gonna see how much dirt is trapped in here. Oh my god, check that out. Look. See, look what happened. It torn some of the towel, so I'm gonna make sure I get that out. I don't want it to stay inside. Okay, and spray it more around the hinges so it moves freely. I'm gonna get it cleaned up more. Check that out. That's pretty dirty. Look at that. That's the top part. It is so dirty. Wow. This is even thick stuff. I'm glad I'm doing this. Okay, now I'm gonna clean the front plate. The front of the plate, I should say. Just getting that cleaned up. That looks so much better. That's super clean. Yeah, it is a lot cleaner. It is a lot cleaner, that's for sure. It is a one happy throttle body. So after that, just reconnect your battery terminal and let it idle for about 2 to 3 minutes until it finds its best new idle level. I have done, the last video actually was a video about idle relearn procedure. Some cars don't need that, like this Ford doesn't need that, it just finds it on its own. Some cars do. Watch that video if your car is not idling on its own, if it needs a relearn procedure. And with this cleaning, it should idle just perfect. So this is my this is how I clean throttle bodies. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comment section if you have any suggestions or concerns. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.